So for this job I'll be using Standox MS Crystal Clear Pro, which is at a 3:1 mixing ratio of hardener. So 3 parts clear, 1 part hardener. I'm using a medium hardener. Depending on the weather, you may want to use a fast or a slow. If it's really hot, you might want to use a slow hardener. Figure out whether or not it's fast, medium or slow in Standox. It actually goes by these numbers here. The higher the number, the slower it is. The lower the number, the faster it is. You may want to use reducer. Personally, I don't use reducer. I like to keep the clear a bit thicker. I find it goes on a bit better and I get a better orange peel out of it. So let's go in the boot. So the next coat is right to go on. But how do I know this? I do my little test. You can put your finger on the masking next to the panel and see how it's actually lifting that masking up. That means that your next coat's right to go on. Now, see the orange peel in this panel? It's quite thick. Orange peel is what we give the name for the texture in the final finish of the clear coat. So if you actually look at an orange and have a look at the peel on an orange, it actually has a bit of a texture in it which is similar to the spray paint. So if you hear me refer to something as orange peel, that's what I'm referring to, the texture in the paint. And to achieve the best orange peel, or to achieve the same orange peel as the rest of the car, set this gun up. You want this one wound basically right out, so it's just holding in by a thread or two. And set this, which is your fan, open that right up and set your air pressure at about 2 bar, approximately 2 bar. You can do it by ear and you'll probably be able to hear when I start spraying that you've got it at the right pressure at about 2 bars. So distance you want at about 1 fist width away from the panel, which is pretty close, and therefore you've got to go nice and quick. So here we go with our next coat of clear.